Hi guys and welcome back. On today's video we are going to test a bunch of new products that I featured in my recent drugstore haul that I did a while ago, and I also have some high-end products that I shown you on that haul, and one of them we are going to test today. So if you are interested to see how those products are performing and what are my thoughts about them, then just continue to watch. I've already applied my base, and for foundation I'm wearing my Essence Pretty Natural Hydrating Foundation. I'm actually doing a wear test for this foundation, as well as for this Charlotte Tilbury Mini Miracle Eye Wound Duo. So if those videos are up, I'm going to link them also down on the description box, and I have to make a note not to forget to do that. And my neighbor's kids are playing with the chairs. We are living on house, but the walls from one side are connected, are sticked to the next house, and from that reason what happening in that house sometimes is also noticeable. It's hearing from that part. So one of the products that I've shown you on the haul is this eye primer by NYX, and I was on the hunt for a affordable eye primer because I have one from Smashbox which is really good, but it's like double the price or even more. So considering I bought this on sales, I think this was for free. I told you that I bought 1+1, so one product was paid, one product was for free. So I tried it already and I really love it. I think I finally found a good drugstore primer, so spoiler. Now I'm a bit upset that I didn't grab two because I don't know how much it will last me. So we get here 7 mils, but considering the fact that I do not wear too much makeup and you don't need too much to apply, I just hope that it will last me for a while. The palette that I'm going to play with today is by NYX and is very beautiful color scheme. And I never had a NYX palette. I only have one single eyeshadow from them, but I kinda not use it, and I loved what's happening on the colored part of the palette. You can have a neutral look if you want so, but you have those nice pop of colors which can spice up the look. I have in mind some look that I'm going to work. It's the second time when I'm working with this palette, and I need to be really careful because I have noticed quite a lot of fallout. Maybe it's indicated to apply this while you don't have any concealer or foundation, because your face will be all glitter. So I'm trying to stay away to not put too much glitter because I'm doing a wear test and I don't want to reapply my base. What I like about this palette is that it also has a skin tone shadow you can use to set your base, and of course you don't get a mirror with most of the NYX eyeshadows on this format. And they have many palettes like this on different colors. I believe this is new. For the transition, I'm going with this shade. And guys, green is my favorite color probably for eyeshadow and for clothes, for everything. So I love green so much. Now with the same brush, this is a Zoeva 228, I'm going to take this shade. What I find about those shades, and this is the second time when I'm wearing, is the fact that they are a bit powdery and you need quite a bit to build them up. I'm going to use this AOA Studio brush. Okay, this is more pigmented than I was expecting, and also because of the brush, probably the brush is more densely packed. So I decided to be brave and I've done myself a cut crease. I have used this concealer that I purchased from L'Oreal. This is the Infallible More Than Concealer, and because I cannot test it today on my under eye areas, I said that we can do that and use it as a concealer for cut crease. And I think I have to work on my cut crease technique. I have a lot to learn from my friend Jackie Naturals, who is really good on that, and she does perfect eye looks. Because we still have this brush sticky, I think I'm going to, I don't know which shade to use, because I want to use this green to give it a pop of color, but that one is really finicky, so I'm going to use this one first. Yeah, so no matter what you do, this shade still doesn't want to pop. The quality of the glitter is not that spectacular. For my inner corner, I'm going to use this minty green shade. It's really difficult to work when a eyeshadow palette doesn't have mirror. I'm going to quickly do my lower lash. I'm going to apply a mix of this transition shade and this one. Now we are going to test a new liner from Essence. It's the eyeliner pen, extra long lasting, and I got it in normal formula. They also have a waterproof formula, and I don't know exactly if this is the liner that Tati was raving about several years ago. That is one of the best from the drugstore, but for the price that I paid for it, I will not be sorry if it will not be good. This is how it swatches, and it has a felt tip applicator. I will tell right from the start that I need both hands to work with this product. This is the attempt of the wing that I created. I don't like it. I don't like the fact that the felt tip is stiff. And for this reason, my eyes are not symmetric right now. Meanwhile, let's curl those lashes and apply this new mascara by Panda Eyes. And I was rather interested to try a new Essence mascara than to purchase their old ones, which I know how they are performing. Okay, so this does a good job on separating, and the formula seems to be light. This is the second time when I'm using this mascara, but we will see by the end of the day if it smudges or not. Let's apply the second coat. I don't know, guys, you be the judge. I don't feel that it does too much for my lashes besides separating them. Okay, I'm going to use a new product that I got in the Look Fantastic Advent Calendar. This is by the Lord & Berry and this Perfect Brow Magic Pencil Definer. It might not work. using my L'Oreal Age Perfect Brow Densifier, trying to save the situation because this is more cool tone. Yes, yes, this saved the day. This saved my brows. But now my brows are so defined that I'm not used to have them like this. I'm going to use a bit of a concealer. This concealer is definitely a hero for today. And by the way, when I grabbed this palette, I got the concealer for free. Now we are going to apply the face makeup, and I'm going to use this Hourglass Ambient Sculpture Unlocked palette, but I'm going to do a separate video for this palette. So yeah, today we are going to film several videos because I don't know how will be with the lockdown and when I will be able to film with both kids at home, so I prefer to have some material just in case. Okay guys, so we have left only the lipstick application, and I have a new lipstick that I purchased. Even though I said that I will not purchase more lipsticks, I could not hold myself by grabbing this L'Oreal matte lip crayon, and I think this red shade will work with greenish kind of the shades. And I'm going to use a old pencil. Even though I think you don't need any lip liner for this lipstick. And this is my perfect shade of red. Love this lipstick. I know that I only can wear lipsticks at home and when I'm filming, because yeah, in the current situation no more lipstick can be worn. If you want to wear lipstick underneath your mask, you can check my tip from the video that I did a month ago. I will link it down below in the description box. But yeah, this is the final look. What are my thoughts about some other products that I used? My biggest disappointment was the NYX eyeshadow palette. I really wouldn't believe that the shades are so chalky and unfriendly, and they are not so true to the color. So I was really struggling to get this payout, and I still don't like how my eyes look like. I would have preferred to have more brightness to my green shade. And if I give you one unfavorite product, then for sure from the same brand, from NYX, I love their Proof It waterproof eyeshadow primer. I think this is a fantastic eyeshadow primer. So you might see me in the end of the day. I will just show you a short clip with me because I'm filming a wear test for other products, so you'll be able to see that. I did not enjoy this eyeliner by Essence. I find that it's difficult to apply it, mostly because of the tip. But so far it doesn't smudge on me, so I will see how it looks by the end of the day. If you are not bothered by the felt tip applicator, you might find this friendly for you. And I think this mascara, the Bye Bye Panda Eyes by Essence, was a decent product. So also I will see in the end of the day if it does smudge or not. A mascara, so as you can tell, there is no fallout on my under eye area. I think this mascara, it is smudge proof and doesn't leave me panda eyes, and for the price I think you cannot go wrong. So you don't get so much length. This is more a volumizing mascara, so keep that in mind, but it will not smudge on you whatsoever. The eyeshadow palette, instead, I keep it upside down. I'm not impressed with it. So as you can tell, all the glitter, it is moving, it is all over the place. So I thought that it will perform in other ways. So yeah, but I think it is holding even better than the first time when I tried it, and this is because I have used their eyeshadow primer, which is actually really good product. And of course the lipstick, I have to remove it because I was wearing mask, so I didn't want to have it underneath the mask, even though it is quite of transfer proof. But if you are talking on underneath your mask, then you might have some transfer, so I prefer to remove and to apply a balm. So right now I have a gloss just for the purpose of this review. Sorry, I hit the camera, the tripod. So I'm loving the lipstick, I'm loving the mascara and the eyeshadow primer. And also, even though this was not the subject of this video, I love the Ambient Light Edit mini sculpting palette, because as you can tell, I still have a lot of contour and blush on my face, even though I was wearing mask. Those are my updates, and now let's go back to the original video. I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch. Please let me know in your comments down below if you have tried some of the products, and if you did so, what are your thoughts about them? Or maybe now that you have seen them in action, you'll be interested to try them. And if you do that, also please let me know your thoughts. I want to wish you all to have a beautifully blessed day ahead, and I'm looking forward to see you again on my next video. Bye bye guys!
Okay.